Hi, this is Luke from Total Parts Plus. Today with a 2016 LDV V80, stock number 6469. This ran from the 1st 2013 to the 9th 2016. It has a SC25 2.5 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by a 6-speed automatic transmission. This is a SC25 2.5 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. Left front 16-inch factory alloy maggot tyre, left front door mirror, left front door no dents, left rear 16-inch factory alloy maggot tyre, left rear tail light, left rear tailgate door, right rear tail light, tailgate door 1 dent, right hand tail light, right rear 16-inch factory alloy maggot tyre, right front door mirror, right front 16-inch factory alloy maggot tyre, right front door card, right front master switch, automatic gear shifter, heater AC controls, factory single stack stereo, instrument cluster, interior mirror, front courtesy light, left front sun visor, right front sun visor,